everybody. Monday morning article here. It's from the Business Insider. Served from Twitter, from MSN, and it's called "Here's the most disproportionately popular job in every state." Okay, and says here, and this is by Andy Kurtz and Stephanie Simcoes. As of 4/26, 18. So it goes on here to say, here's the most disproportionately popular job in every state. The United States is as diverse as it is large. Colloquialisms, cuisines, and dialects are all regional dependent. Values, religions, and every occupations are clustered according to geography. For geographical reasons, certain jobs are concentrated in different pockets of the United States. The environment dictates where certain jobs can be due to the location of natural resources like oil, coal, and natural gas. Careers in shipping and marine engineering obviously require proximity to bodies of water. In the same vein, agriculture occupations rely on sprawling farmland for crop growing. Using recently released data from the U.S. Bureau of Labor Statistics, we took a look at the most overrepresented job in the state in Washington D.C. among professions with at least 1,000 employees in the state. In each of these states had more people working these jobs per capita than the nation as a whole. This is not the most common job in every state. That would be far less interesting. As the most common job in 38 states is retail salesperson. Instead, these jobs have a bigger share in total employment in a particular state than they do in the U.S. For example, Texas has about 17,840 petroleum engineers out of 11,880,880 total employed persons according to the BLS estimates. That means about 15 out of every 10,000 employed Texans are petroleum engineers. Meanwhile, petroleum engineers account for 32,010 jobs in the United States out of 142,549,250 total employees. That means about 2.2 out of every 10,000 employed Americans are petroleum engineers. The BLS calls the ratio of these two rates the location quotient for a job in a particular area. The location quotient for the petroleum engineers in Texas is 15 to 2.2, or about 6.7. That is, there are about 6.7 times as many petroleum engineers per 10,000 workers in Texas as there are in the United States as a whole. And it goes on to say, click through to see more disproportionately popular job the highest location quotient among jobs with at least 1,000 employees in every state in Washington, D.C.